Hello everyone, this is Group 13 and this is our video on otoscopy. Otoscopy is a clinical procedure used to examine structures of the ear, particularly the external auditory canal, tympanic membrane and the middle ear. Clinicians use the process during routine wellness physical exams and the evaluation of specific ear complaints. During the otoscopic examination, the examiner utilizes an otoscope, also known as oroscope, to visualize the ear anatomy. The otoscope contains a light and a magnifying lens to illuminate and enlarge ear structures to help the examiner accurately visualize and evaluate the health of the visible anatomic structures. Otoscopes can be categorized into three types: pocket otoscopes, full-size otoscopes, and video otoscopes. Pocket otoscopes were intentionally designed to fit in a pocket and are lighter and less bulkier than the full-size otoscopes, which are more substantial in size and weight than the pocket otoscopes. Hence, the head and the handles of the full-size otoscopes are more sophisticated than the pocket otoscopes. While the video otoscopes are specifically designed to interface with a computer or monitor to project, capture, store, and email high-quality images and videos. Let's talk about the parts of the otoscope. The first one is the specula, which permits the safe visualization of the inner ear. It comes in various diameters and lengths. Second one, the otoscope head. The instrument head is designed for the examination of the ear. It also contains the light source. Next comes the magnifying lens, which is typically provided with 3 times or 4 times of magnification for better visualization of the area. Last is the battery handle or the body, which contains the battery and also works for the handle of otoscope. While performing the otoscopic examination, the examiner holds the handle in such a way that the otoscope is placed in the ear canal and the pinky finger of the hand rests on the cheek of the patient. For an adult's ear, we do examination by gently pulling the auricle upward and backwards. In children, the auricle is pulled downwards and backwards. This process will move the acoustic meatus in line with the canal. By carefully examining the condition of the ear canal and the eardrum, we can reveal the causes of symptoms such as earache, the ear feeling full, or the hearing loss. So here we ended. Thank you and have a nice day.